We are at Crabtree Falls. This is one of the most popular trails in Central Virginia, and we can't wait to check it out.
Well, we just got done hiking on Crabtree Falls. Wow, what a hike. Those waterfall views, Judy, weren't they amazing?
They were so amazing, so pretty. Well worth hiking this trail. I can see why it's so popular here in Central Virginia.
It's awesome. Now, just to know, there are a lot of stairs, there's a lot of rocky climbing, so you may want to bring some sturdy shoes. You may even want a hiking stick. But it was a fantastic hike, and we are so glad we checked it out.
Oh, absolutely. I think we would both highly recommend this trail if you're in this area, and just know that as you keep going up higher and higher, it gets rockier and rockier. So
absolutely. But what a great fall day for hiking here in Virginia.
Yes, gorgeous day.